Hey yo, what's up everyone? In today's video, I am going to play around with a tube compressor from Kush. And with that being said, let's get started. So here is the AR1 from Kush. It's a tube compressor. So I am going to play around with this on my drum loop here. In the track 1, I have a drum loops in here. I will link it to number 7. Okay, it's already linked to mixer number 7, and here is an AR tube compressor. Let me play this audio right now. Let me first turn off the tube compressor, and then let's play again the drum loop. Oops, let me first highlight this drum loop so that this will be a loop back and forth. Okay, and now let me turn on this tube compressor. And let's have a faster attack with a slower release. And let's adjust this threshold to let's say 8.5 decibel, negative 8.5 decibel. And now let's adjust this input. Let's try having a slower attack and a faster release. And let's adjust the tone. On the left side there is a knob for a tone here. So let's adjust this all the way to the left. Now let's adjust as well the attack. Let's put this attack in the middle, and let's have a normal release as well. As what I've noticed, this compressor can give your tone or your track a more detailed one, and gives your track more details, and aside from that, it adds more shape to your drum loop. So let's play again the drum loop right now, and I'm going to adjust any knobs in here. So here we go. This is what it sounds like if you turn this knob to a dark mode. Here is this dry and wet knob in here. It's a mixed knob for parallel compression. Okay, what can you say about this tube compressor from Kush? For me, it's very nice. It adds more tone, shape, and it adds a lot of details to your drum loops or to your track. I haven't tried this on vocals, but on my next video, I will try to use this on vocals. Okay, let's play it again. I want to play around with this a little bit more. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I think that's all there is to it for today's video. What can you say about this tube compressor from Kush? For me, I like this one. Okay, I'm going to use this in my future projects. If you think you like this video, don't forget to smash the bell icon so that you will always be updated with our new content, and click subscribe and like this video as well. That's all. Thanks for watching and have a very wonderful day. Bye bye.